This is J. Randall Wilkerson, editor at Wilkerson and Hughes. This set of videos will show some of our historic train station drawings from Book 1. We are a company that specializes in historic architectural drawings that we restore from the Historic American Building Survey in the Library of Congress. We reformat them, restore the original line widths and densities so that they are as good as new or even better. Train stations are very popular for various model buffs, and these drawings will show the plans and in many cases the elevations of 19 train stations. Our book 2 covers another group of 16. We're going to flip through quickly so at least you will get an idea of the contents of the book. They often show layouts of the tracks and so forth. This is the Baltimore and Ohio Harpers Ferry station. In some cases, there are even details showing all of the doors and windows. Other cases, the survey group may have only covered just the basics. This is the B&O Railroad Point of Rock station. The original drawings had faded so badly and were very dirty that we had to expend quite a few dozens of hours to clean them up and regenerate them. We've developed a computer program to regenerate, and then we print them on a digital lithographic printer so they have the same density and sharp, razor sharp quality that you would find on a lithograph. This is, of course, the Montclair Depot Roundhouse, followed by the B&O Queen City Hotel and Station. The Historic American Building Survey was started during the Depression as a WPA project under FDR to employ starving architects and draftsmen who had been put out of business by the Depression. So they went about having them document historic buildings all over the nation, whether it was the Washington Monument, the Lincoln Memorial, or small homes from Louisiana, plantations, famous artist's home like Frederick Church, or even Mark Twain's house in Hartford. The program is still active today. It's often employed using architectural students at local universities who apply to the National Park Service administering the program. And then they will spend quite a few weeks measuring and drawing the plans of the house. This is the Grand Central Station in Chicago. Very few drawings were available, but at least some of the basics. This is the C&O station from Virginia. You can see they included everything from the grand to the very smallest stations so that they could at least be recorded. Moffett Station is from Denver, Colorado. In our 2 books, we tried to include most of all the significant stations we could, because we do not know what would be specifically of interest. We threw in the Erie Railway Survey, which shows you on these 3 pages the various shops, locations along the serviceable railroad. This is the Erie Railway Station at Susquehanna. We had to take drawings that were at least 3 feet long, in some cases 4 feet long, and reduce them to an 8.5 by 11 format. So it takes quite a bit of computer time, page by page, to maintain the sharp, razor sharp quality, whereby you can read the dimensions and all of the texts. If your eyes are not good, you may need a magnifying glass. However, it's all here. These books are available at Amazon.com and on eBay. Fairly small market. There's not something that a normal bookstore would stock. but we can handle it by mail. This is the Junction City depot. And the Princeton station, and from Florida. As I said, from big to small, and this one's one of the smallest. This is the Logan, Utah Union Pacific passenger depot. And then we have the B&O Philadelphia station. There wasn't a lot of material, but the basics are included. So that concludes this book. It's 114 drawings, 120 pages. It's $12.95 plus shipping. As mentioned before, it's on Amazon.com as well as eBay. The ISBN code is 978-1926517-797. Thanks for watching.